What's it all about? Business plan? Okay, so hi everyone. Today we're just going to be talking about business plans and why you need one. Mahmood, what do you think?
Well, just imagine that situation. You're moving house, you're going on holiday, you're going somewhere, and you just do it without even thinking about how you're going to get there. What a pain in the bottom that can be.
Do you mean like when we do it?
The last minute thing, yeah.
Yeah, lastminute.com.
So, business plans, the whys. If you want to relieve that anxiety and stress out of your life, if you want to have a better chance of getting to where you want to get to, if you want to make some decent money, if you want to understand how you're progressing and all the rest of it, well, for me, there's only one thing to do. What do you reckon, Serena?
Sounds great. I just wish you did this in the personal life. So yeah, business plan. Planning's great. So planning in business, like Mahmood says, you all need it. Okay. Planning in your personal life, you might need that as well, Mahmood.
There's an option, obviously, of always changing your wife, but obviously that will be off camera, everybody. But Serena's right. If you want to do anything in your life that's got a sense of purpose, a sense of direction, instead of having to react every single day to what's going to happen next, you need to get yourself a plan. And lots of people think, I don't need a business plan, I know what's going on. Well, unfortunately you don't. There's all that stuff that's going on in your head, you need to dump it down. You need to have some idea how you're going to get to where you want to. And we've got a little treat for you for next week. We're going to talk to you about what goes into your business plan. But for now, planning is a good thing. Serena, what do you reckon? Do you agree with that?
Yeah, it's brilliant. Planning, I'll talk to Mahmood about that later. Over to the website, I've got loads of stuff on business planning. Read it.